Jai Hind India's future. How are you all? I hope that you are all well, and I hope you are watching my videos. So you are fond of learning spoken English. So let's start without wasting time. If I would, sorry, I would like to tell if you are beginner in English and you want to learn spoken English. So this video for you. And I am also beginner, so I understand. I can understand every beginner's feeling. So don't leave this video without learning, and if you learn something you should watch this video, because in this video I am about to tell some structure which is useful for speaking language, and when we speak this sentence in this word, we feel very good, and every people make us understand he is a fluent speaker in English. So let's start without wasting time, and because time is very important, and every person uh, wants to watch a long short video, because this time every people only use uh, only watch short video, and this reason I don't want to make long video, but it can be it is it can be it this video is can be long, and maximum I will it's time maximum, uh, if I tell uh, 15 minute or 15 minute maximum. So let's start, and first structure is at the most, and it that this word is useful for speaking, because if I tell where is use of at the most, the this is use, it is used to tell maximum possibility, uh, maximum possibility result of situation, and we can ex- and we can express our feelings, and it is used mostly when we scared anybody somebody anything, then we turn and suppose that every suppose that someone uh, someone angry with us, so then we can use this structure like for we understand. For an example, suppose that your friend angry with you, then you can use these words like, for example, at the most you will not talk to me. At the most what will you happen? He won't talk to me. He don't talk to me. Then you can use this structure, and if I use in story, so let it, uh, and I can tell you a story through me, and I practice through making a story, and I uploaded many videos through making a story, but this time I don't make a story video, and I make only self practice, and without learning and without spoken. So suppose that if you have a friend, and you have a best friend, and you, you study together, you if you go any somewhere, you go together, and uh, suddenly he buy some food, and with a he he took who he took without telling you, and you you are got angry with him, then he can say, at the most you will not talk to me. So this structure you can use like this sentence. And if I tell other structure, if I tell other structure, the structure is it was not so. It was not so. It is normal structure, and we can use, we can mostly people don't know what is meaning this structure, but when we can use, then we feel very good. So it is used to compare. It is used to compare, sorry, com- compare ready with expression. And this structure is very useful, and I can't I can't express in my in English, English is through speaking English, because I don't know how to express this word, but we understand an example. It was not so easy as you were telling. Suppose that uh, you you want to do some work, and your friend telling you telling you the work is very easy, and you can do very easily, and every people done many times. I have also done many times. So when you do this work, and you and the work is very difficult for you, then you can tell it was not so easy as you were telling. So this structure we can use our tell our opinion. And if I tell other structure, as far as it structure used when we are to tell our opinion. Like for an example, we understand for an example, because in English um, I don't I can't make you I understand, because I'm English beginner. I'm beginner, and right now I'm learning spoken English. So when in future I will learn a lot of, I have a lot of knowledge in speaking English, and we are able to speaking English. For an example, as far as I am concerned, I will not come. Yeah, for and other example, I if I tell you where is used, I can express a little bit. Uh, Suppose that you don't want to go uh, uh, to other anywhere, and your friend or your buddy your buddy is instant on you you should you will have to go with me. Agar sorry, if you don't go with me, I will get angry. So you should you can tell, you can say that as far as I am concerned, I will not go, because I don't like this that place. And and you can use in a without I am concerned, you can use it. For example, as far as I want to come, I will not go to school. As far as this structure is, you can use daily life daily life English speaking language, and you can express our opinion. Yeah, this time I have repeated my words, it's not good, and for this I applies. And I will I am I am about to tell other structure, and it is high time. It is high time. Suppose if you prepare for any exam, and constant constantly you face failure, you are facing failure, and you don't achieve your you are not achieving your goal, then and after some time when your all syllabus is complete, you are you are doing good in mock test. When you give mock test, and marks is come very good, then you can tell it is high time to my achievements. It is high time to achieve my job. So like this structure you can use without hesitation, and sorry, what I say what I said. So I tell many three structures, and sometimes I was lisping. It's not good for me because I'm not good speaker in English, but I believe in future I will doing good. I will be I will be good, and and I if I tell I it's my structure video, and you you can tell me many times. I had to see, and because wrote already I already wrote, so I had to see. And because just I think I make a structure video, because yesterday when I was making video, then I said that yeah, tomorrow I would make a structure video. So right now I am making structure video, and it structure is very useful if you want to know what is Hindi of this structure, what is meaning of this structure. So you should watch my short video. I i will upload short videos. So Jai Hind, thanks for watching my video.